Hi student, today I start integration chapter of calculus. Let fx be a function, then the family of all its antiderivatives is called the indefinite integral of fx and is denoted by integration sin fx dx. And this is read as indefinite integral of fx with respect to x. Thus, d by dx phi x plus c equal to fx. This implies if and only if integration of fx dx equal to phi x plus c, where phi x is antiderivatives of fx and c is the constant of integration. Here integral sign, this sign is called integral sign. Fx is called integrand, x is variable of integration, and dx is differential of x. Now some formulas are written as we know that d by dx x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1 equal to x to the power n, where n is not equal to minus 1. This implies x to the power n dx equal to x to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c, where n is not equal to minus 1. Second number, d by dx log x base e equal to 1 by x. This implies integration of 1 by x dx equal to log x base e plus c. Third number, d by dx e to the power x equal to e to the power x. This implies e to the power x dx equal to e to the power x plus c. d by dx a to the power x log a base e equal to a to the power x, where a is greater than 0 and a not equal to 1. This implies a to the power x dx equal to a to the power x by log a base e plus c. Now d by dx minus cos x equal to, this implies integration of sin x dx equal to minus cos x plus c. d by dx sin x equal to cos x. This implies cos x dx equal to sin x plus c. Second number, d by dx tan x equal to sec square x. This implies sec square x dx equal to tan x plus c. d by dx minus cot x equal to cos square x. This implies cos square x dx equal to minus cot x plus c. There are lot of formulas which I will share it on description box. A lot of things you may not be getting it, like what is dx, what is dy by dx, why we integrate, what's the need of differentiation. All I am going to cover it on my coming videos. So for now I am solving some problems based on what is the integration of h to the power root x dx. This is equal to h to the power half dx is equal to h to the power half plus 1 plus c. This is h to the power 3 by 2 c by 2 plus c. This is equal to 2 by 3 h to the power 3 by 2 plus c. Here using the formula h to the power n dx, first formula is h to the power n dx. N is not equal to minus 1, then h to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. So half is not equal to minus 1, so h to the power half plus 1 plus c, and this becomes 2 by 3 h to the power 3 by 2 plus c. Answer. a to the power 3 log x base a dx. This equal to a to the power log x power 3 base a dx. This equal to s cube dx equal to h to the power 4 3 plus 1 plus c h to the power 4 by 4 plus c. Here we using a to the power log function of x, any function of x base a. This equal to function of x by formula a to the power log fx base a equal to fx. So this is answer.